Hello, BodyBite Insights community. Thank you for your support and welcome to this new episode of BodyBite Insights. Today we're here to talk about a truly amazing organ, our liver. Have you ever wondered why liver health is so crucial to overall wellness? Are you aware of the simple natural ways to support your liver's detox functions? Do you know the everyday habits that could be harming this vital organ without you realizing it? In this video, we'll uncover the ultimate tips and tricks for a detoxified liver, empowering you to take control of your health. Because after all, a healthy liver is crucial for a healthy life. Let's dive in. First things first, what is liver detoxification? In simple terms, it's your liver's natural process of filtering and neutralizing harmful substances. Think of it as your body's very own purification plant. Your liver works tirelessly to process everything you eat, drink, and absorb from your environment. It breaks down toxins into harmless byproducts that your body can eliminate. This detoxification process is essential for maintaining your energy, supporting digestion, and promoting overall vitality. Your liver is a remarkable organ located on the right side of your abdomen, just below your ribs. It's the largest internal organ in your body and plays a vital role in over 500 bodily functions. From producing bile for digestion to storing energy and regulating hormones, your liver is a true multitasker. It filters your blood, metabolizes nutrients, and even helps fight off infections. Understanding its functions underscores the importance of keeping your liver healthy. Unfortunately, our modern lifestyles can put a strain on our livers. Factors like poor diet, alcohol consumption, environmental toxins, and certain medications can all take a toll. This can lead to various liver issues, from fatty liver disease to hepatitis and even cirrhosis. Symptoms may include fatigue, digestive problems, yellowing of the skin or eyes, and abdominal pain. It's crucial to address any concerns with your healthcare provider for proper diagnosis and treatment. One of the best ways to support your liver is through a healthy diet. Incorporate these liver-loving foods into your meals. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, and kale are rich in sulfur compounds that aid detoxification. Leafy greens such as spinach, arugula, and lettuce are packed with antioxidants and chlorophyll, which support liver cleansing. Berries, including blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries, are loaded with antioxidants that protect the liver from damage. Garlic and onions contain sulfur compounds that activate liver enzymes involved in detoxification. Turmeric boasts anti-inflammatory properties and supports bile production. Incorporate these foods into your daily diet to nourish and protect your liver. Beyond diet, certain lifestyle changes can significantly impact your liver health. Hydration is key. Aim for 8 glasses of water daily to flush out toxins. Get moving. Regular exercise, even moderate activity, supports liver function and helps maintain a healthy weight. Limit alcohol intake. Excessive alcohol consumption is a major cause of liver damage. Be mindful of medications. Consult your doctor about potential liver side effects of any medications you're taking. Manage stress. Chronic stress can negatively impact liver health. Explore stress-reducing techniques like deep breathing exercises or meditation. Embrace these lifestyle changes to promote optimal liver function and overall well-being. In addition to diet and lifestyle, certain natural supplements can provide extra support for your liver. Milk thistle. This herb contains silymarin, a potent antioxidant that protects liver cells from damage. Dandelion root. Known for its diuretic properties, dandelion root helps flush out toxins and supports bile production. Artichoke extract. This natural extract stimulates bile flow and aids digestion, reducing the burden on the liver. Remember to consult your healthcare provider before incorporating any new supplements into your routine. Let's debunk some common myths surrounding liver detox. Myth number 1. You need to follow extreme juice cleanses to detoxify your liver. Fact: your liver is perfectly capable of detoxifying itself naturally with a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle. Myth number 2. Detox teas and supplements can magically cleanse your liver overnight. Fact: there's no quick fix for a healthy liver. Focus on sustainable lifestyle changes for long-term benefits. Myth number 3. Liver detox is only for people with existing liver issues. Fact: everyone can benefit from supporting their liver health, regardless of their current health status. Focus on evidence-based practices for optimal liver health. Here are some signs that your liver is functioning well. Steady energy levels. You feel energized throughout the day without experiencing extreme fatigue. Clear skin. Your complexion is clear and free from excessive blemishes or yellowing. Healthy digestion. You experience regular bowel movements and don't suffer from frequent indigestion or bloating. Stable weight. You maintain a healthy weight without drastic fluctuations. Regular checkups with your doctor and liver function tests can help monitor your liver health. Remember, a healthy liver is indeed vital for overall well-being. By incorporating liver-friendly foods, adopting healthy habits, and debunking myths, you can support your liver's natural detoxification processes. Make gradual, sustainable changes to your lifestyle and consult your healthcare provider for personalized guidance. Your liver will deeply appreciate. Thank you for sticking around till now. We dearly appreciate your support. Don't forget to share this video and subscribe to our channel for more informative content like this. Until next time, this is BodyBite Insights.